Hi guys, we're going down the path of GTK, Glade and Python in the ArcoLinux app, which means reading, listening to a lot of videos and installing something. So join me in installing the GTK3 Widget Factory, which is possible if you do a pacman -s gtk3 demos. Right, so if you install that one, I'll reinstall it. And you know what I do, right? Stay in the terminal, go to pacman, pamac better, and learn there, but don't use it for the rest. So demos gives you information, the GUI toolkits, etc., etc. But what do we get, right? We get this, we get that, we get that. So I'm gonna investigate all that's in here, and eventually some code, if there is code that I can use, right? Read the code. So launching this GTK Widget Factory is basically what I can do with my system. So I can have all these little things, click or not click, right? I can play around with it. Outset, there's some sliders here. The spinner, this pops up when you click that. Link button. These are all the possibilities. There's a page here, so the switcher, like this, like that. It's all possible. So the choices are yours, right? You have to choose what you have to change. Entry, you can type here, drop downs, all possible. So it gives you an idea at least. Not knowing yet what all of it is, right? By name, I mean then. But it's interesting to know and make decisions. Say, okay, gonna go for that option. All right, cheers.